Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you reset your Verizon voicemail password. So here are steps for app star 611 and security code. Step 1. Reset using the My Verizon app. Open the My Verizon app and sign in. Tap account, select edit profile and settings, tap on security, choose manage voicemail password. Enter a new 4 to 7 digit password and save the changes. Step 2. Reset using the My Verizon website. Sign into your Verizon account, go to account and select profile and then go to security. Select manage voicemail password, create a new password and save it. Step 3. Contact Verizon. If you can't access your account, you need to contact Verizon customer support or dial star 611 from your Verizon phone. A representative can help reset your voicemail password after verifying your identity. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.